I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
Hello everyone. In this video I will explain how to make spicy red sauce, a versatile and flavorful condiment. To begin, let's talk about the foundational ingredients. You will need about 2 pounds of ripe tomatoes, several cloves of fresh garlic, and your choice of chili peppers for that perfect kick. Don't forget essential spices like dried oregano and red pepper flakes, plus a little sugar to balance the acidity. Olive oil, 1 medium onion, and fresh basil will complete your ingredient list. Now let's get those ingredients prepped for maximum flavor. A key step is to roast or char your tomatoes and chili peppers. This simple technique brings out a wonderful smoky depth that elevates the entire sauce. Next, finely mince about 4 to 6 cloves of garlic and 1 medium onion. For the chili peppers, you can deseed some to control the heat, or leave them in if you prefer a fiery sauce. This preparation sets the stage for a truly delicious outcome. With your ingredients prepped, it is time to start cooking. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Sauté the minced garlic and onion until they are translucent and fragrant, which usually takes about 5 minutes. Then, add your roasted tomatoes and peppers. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer and let it cook for at least 30 minutes, allowing all those wonderful flavors to meld together beautifully. Finally, stir in 1 teaspoon of dried oregano, 1/2 teaspoon of red pepper flakes, and a pinch of sugar. We are almost there. Once your sauce has simmered and cooled slightly, it is time to achieve your desired consistency. You can use an immersion blender or a regular blender to make it as chunky or as smooth as you like. Just before serving, stir in about a 1/4 cup of fresh basil leaves. This adds a vibrant, fresh note. Finally, taste your sauce and adjust the seasonings. You might want to add a little more salt, pepper, or even extra chili flakes for an added kick. Enjoy your homemade spicy red sauce.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.